G'day, Kim from Allen Air with another tip on how you can manage your health around the home through your air conditioning systems. I've been getting heaps of queries about how air purifiers might be able to help you in the home environment or in the workplace to help prevent the spread of bacteria and allergies throughout the air conditioning system or in your home or place of business. So I thought I'd talk to you about what is a purifier. Basically, it's a system that helps remove dust, smog, pollen, bacteria, smoke, pet odours from your dog or your cat and so on. It takes air from the environment, passes it through a series of filters, sends it out through clean medical grade air at the other end of the system. The air purifier should be energy efficient with low running costs ideally. And the best of them will always come with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty. So who might want an air purifier? Those people would include sufferers of allergies and asthma or other medical concerns that can cause them respiratory illness and the like. So it's valuable in the workplace if you want to try and cut down time off work, if you're worried about the air conditioning system being part of the spread of the diseases or I should say virus or bacteria related issues. It can be used as a standalone system even without an air conditioner, but we'll get onto that in a moment. So how does an air purifier work? As we said, basically it's a way of moving air through a filter and then redistributing it into the air conditioned space. So the good ones that we work with, the CAHS system, the Clean Air Health Systems, they start with a 50mm deep G4 filter. So their filters are all 300 by 300 square. So they start with that G4 grade 50mm filter. It then passes through a carbon filter, 20mm thick. After that, it then passes through a HEPA filter. And that HEPA is 292mm deep. So it's a really deep, high quality filter. The HEPA filter will maintain or filter out viruses or I should say dust particles to 99.9% of accuracy and capture rate. So the best designs, what do you want from an air purifying system? The best designed system will do around about 5 air changes in your home per hour. Now what's an air change? An air change is considered, if you take the total volume of air in your home, that is one air change, that is one air volume. An air change is how many times we'll capture that air and pass it through the filter and send it back out. So we recommend around about 5 air changes per hour. So that's every particle in the home, as best we can capture it, will pass through the filter and give you a great, terrific, ideal filtration rate. And you want to compare that against some of the retail options that are out there in the marketplace. Some of these cheaper ones we get at some of the specialty stores that the average punter might go and purchase. I saw one today online for $1,400. And if we compare that in size, it's a 150mm filter by 100mm filter versus ours at 300 by 300. Unfortunately, those filters in these cheaper ones can be as small as 10mm thick. So you compare that to our 292mm plus the 20mm carbon filter plus the 50mm G4 filter. It's quite a significant difference. We're talking a filter that's that deep versus one that's that deep. The other thing I found out today that's quite interesting is that they only run at about an air change rate of about 1.5 times per hour, again versus our recommended 5 air changes per hour. And you'll get an idea of the difference of what you can expect from a domestic type product to our specialist air conditioning or commercial grade systems that are available. So that's basically how what an air purifier does, who would want it, how it's filtered. What we're going to do now is we're going to cut across to a video that the CP group have done where I'll talk you through a test that they're showing to get an idea of how good these things are.
This is a presentation by CP Group Oz, a visual representation showing how the clean air health system works by using smoke.
Hi, Kim again. I'll just cut in here and state that the smoke being injected into this simulator is indicative of particles between 0.1 and 0.3 microns, which when you consider a virus particle can be as small as 0.3 microns, gives you an idea of how the filtration efficiency works using this smoke as a visual aid.
It displays how bacteria, pollen, pet hair, VOCs and other contaminants go into the system dirty and are filtered into purified air.
And as can be seen here, using the NADA certified testing equipment, we can qualify that the filtration system is capturing 99.99% of virus-sized particles, which means that if you install one of these into your home or workplace, you can feel confident that you are doing everything you can to maintain the best of health for your family, friends, and colleagues alike. Okay, so what models have we got available? As I said, these are known as the CAHS systems, the Clean Air Health Systems. They make about 7 or 8 different models, and those two models are divided into what we know as the HVAC model and the ducted or commercial grade model. Now the HVAC model is a terrific starting point to enter into your home. If you've got an existing ducted reverse cycle air conditioner, the HVAC model will take about 30 to 40% of the return air, or the air going back to your air conditioner. It'll grab 30 to 40% of that air and it will filter it to the highest grade through the HEPA filter. It then injects that medical grade air back into your air conditioning system where it's distributed out throughout the home. So that is a very efficient way of having an entry level air purifier throughout, provide great quality air throughout the home. The next one after that is our ducted or commercial range. Now the ducted and commercial range can be used as a standalone system. So maybe your home, you have wall splits on the serving as your air conditioner, and you don't have a fully ducted air conditioning system, of course, distributing air throughout the home. That's where these standalone units will work terrific. They simply have a return air grill in your passageway, and then a network of ducted air will be distributed out to your bedrooms and living areas. And we can break them into zones, or we can do your whole house in one go, depending on the size and model selected. But that's up to you on how you would like to treat the air in your home. The other option that is available is these can also work together with your ducted air conditioning system, whereas before I said the HVAC models will take about 30 to 40% of the air going to your air conditioner and it will filter that. The commercial or ducted range will actually filter 100% of the air that goes back through your air conditioner. So if you give your air conditioner a great clean before we start, a deep heavy duty coil clean and a sanitize, then apply the air purifier to that, 100% of that air is going to be filtered at the highest grade, providing medical grade air out to the home. And that is the best you could get for the domestic environment. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it answered a lot of those questions around air purifiers and how you can benefit and your health can benefit for you and your family throughout the home or the workplace. So guys, stay tuned to our Facebook channels, YouTube channel coming up soon, and check us out on our website allenair.net.au, and stay safe, isolate, and we'll see you soon.